Yeah, I'm trying to explain what's going on here. This is the either 2017 or 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe. So this one of the cylinder is noisy, is bad, and I open it, and this is the one that is actually bad. But the rest of them, they are good. Then when I check it, the piston of the cylinder, all the pistons, they are good. Their piston and rings, they are good. But under here, they have a connecting rod and the stroke crankshaft play. So in between the connecting rod and crankshaft, you can hear the play. This play is not good to go. So actually, the play that I had before was too much, and this was the piece that I removed from the vehicle. This piece is the sleeve bearing, so I remove it and put this in a different connecting rod and piston from this Hyundai. I took from this to rebuild this one, but unfortunately the crankshaft is very bad. It didn't work out. So, and that same thing happened on this one. I took those pistons here before and I tested them. I had that same play on this particular cylinder. The rest of the cylinder was good, so that was why I wanted to use the other engine to do the rebuild, thinking that it will be better. So when I move all the parts there, I still have the same play. So everything ended that the both vehicle needs crankshaft, connecting rod, and sleeve bearing. Those are the things both vehicle need. Both vehicle piston and rings are good, but the play they're having and the noise was coming from crankshaft and connecting rod, sleeve bearing. So I'm just making this video to explain what I have done so far. Thank you.